Hey guys, how's it going? Yeah, I started working on the 3+3 again. Haven't made a lot of videos about working on the 3+3, but I went over that in last week's video. Back is feeling a lot better. Stretching is now life. So I gotta do stretches morning and evening to be able to walk. Yeah. Anyways, I've been rather quite busy today. I got the rear bench seat fully mounted in. I built little brackets that I welded to the floor, and they just bolt to the bottom track of the seat. I can't see anything, there's so much glare. But yeah, that's not going anywhere. The bench seat still folds down, and it still locks in position. So lots of room for subs and stuff back there. I just finished working on the driver's seat. Let's see if I can get you guys a good view of this. I drilled holes in the floor and used hitch receiver washers, those big square thick flat guys, and welded a nut to that, and then welded that to the floor on the bottom. So if this seat wants to pull out, it's got to pull out a big chunk of steel through the floor as well, so no worries there. And for the front, you guys can see, hopefully, if there's not too much glare, I just got little angle pieces made. I still got to finish welding them in and making them look pretty, but now the seat does unbolt. Next up I got to wire it. Right now I just got it cobbled with a power inverter, but it goes forwards, backwards, up and down. And I don't think I found the wires for the heater yet, but all that stuff's working pretty good. So yesterday I tried moving the truck back, and I don't know if maybe it's out of fuel or what's going on. Maybe that starting issue has gotten just so bad that it just won't start now, but I burned out the starter. I let the magic smoke out. Everybody thinks that wiring and electrical stuff runs on electricity. It doesn't. It runs on smoke. Once you let the smoke out, it stops working. So yeah, I don't know if I'll be able to move this truck or not, but I'll give you guys a walk around the outside. It's looking good. Yeah, so I guess here she sits. I tried starting it and it ain't going. So I got the box on, I got the box bolted down, I got the taillights wired up. I got the U-bolts trimmed down so they're about an inch below the plate. Got the front lowered down. I just chopped the coils. I got the other 3 inches of coil right here. If I get back into forging, I'll make some knives or something. Maybe give them away. I don't know. I'll figure something out. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. I got to put the bench or the center console thing back in. So yeah, the seats are, well, this seat and the back seat are mounted down solid. Freaking wasps. Bastards. Got him with the button. That'll learn you. There's another one. Stay out of my truck. So, anyways, I got the amps there. That one is my sub amp. That one will be my 4-channel. So yeah, once I get the subs in, once I find some subs, I want to build a back panel that the amps will bolt to. I've got some RCAs that I'll run down the center there into them, and I got power wire and stuff. Yeah, to avoid smoking the next starter, I've got some heavy gauge wire, 4/0. I'll be using this. So it'll be battery to engine for ground, battery to frame for ground, and then positive to starter. No more dicking around. So anyways, yeah, I got trimmed the hole in the box. I just had the board there. Apparently wasps are building nests on it now, but I had the board there to block out sun when I was doing wiring, because I don't like getting melted. But you can see my maths was a little bit out for the cut. It's a little gappy at the back, more so on the other side than this side, and then pretty tight up at the front. So, but a little bit of trimming will take care of that. Freaking little wasps, they're so bad. Yeah, this box was off my parts truck. I bought the parts truck for 400 bucks, and it had a title and everything. So it's 2-wheel drive, long box, regular cab, 350. I think it was an 84. So I took the box off it, of course. Took the rear bumper off it. I swapped hoods. I swapped steering columns, and I swapped wiper cowls. Because my hood was cracked here, and I think it was dented there to match that damage there. But now I got a clean hood, a little bit of sanding, and I'll take care of that. But it's in better shape than mine. I just got to do a bit of an alignment. It's sitting a bit proud. But yeah, she's getting there. Getting there. I'll be driving it in no time. So I guess here she sits though. Such a big truck. Thing's massive. The land yacht. It's gonna be so awesome driving this thing. I cannot wait. So anyways guys, that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care. 100% Abby approved.